good day everyone, depending on the place and location that you're watching us. Welcome to our group presentation. My name is IlokaBenneth. I'm a student of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Faculty of Management Science, Department of Marketing, a 400 student. We are here to discuss and present on brand marketing at the course code MKT 438, Group B. But before then, let's introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is MKT.
My name is IlokaBenneth.
My name is IlokaBenneth.
My name is Edi Chibuze Miracle.
My name is Oja.
My name is Ramuchi Victory.
My name is Ndubisi Miracle Soba.
My name is Olemi Motinajiri Franklin. My name is Ugu Victor Chima.
My name is Adigwe February Ebuka.
Thank you everyone. As we discussed earlier, let's focus on brand equity and customer position. But before then, let's talk about what is brand.
A brand is a name, symbol, logo, or identity that helps customers identify a product or company. For example, Nike, Coca-Cola, and Apple.
That's true. So what is customer-based brand equity?
Customer-based brand equity, also called CBBE, is the extra value a product gets because customers know and trust the brand.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine two phones with similar features. One is from Apple and the other one is from an unknown company. Many people will choose Apple because they trust the brand. The extra value customer attached to Apple is called brand equity.
So why is brand equity important to companies?
It is important because it helps company gain customer loyalty. Customers continue buying the brand, recommend it to others, and may even pay higher price for it.
So how do companies build strong brand equity?
They build it through good products, advertising, customer service, and positive customer experience.
I remember reading that brand knowledge is the foundation of brand equity. What does brand knowledge means?
Brand knowledge means everything customers know and remember about a brand. It consists of two parts: brand awareness and brand image.
Okay, let's discuss brand awareness. First, what does it
Brand
mean?
awareness means customers can recognize or remember a brand.
Are there different types of brand awareness?
Of course, there are two types. The first is brand recognition. This happens when customers see a logo and immediately know the brand. For example, the MC Donald, that's McDonald's.
The second type is brand recall. This happens when someone asks you to name a soft drink and you immediately say Coca-Cola without seeing any advertisement.
That's very clear. Now, what is brand image?
Brand image is the prescription customer has about a brand.
Can you give us an example?
Of course, many people associate Vivo with safety, Rolex with luxury and status, and Disney with fun and entertainment.
So, if customers have positive feeling about a brand, the brand image becomes stronger.
Exactly.
Let's move to brand positioning. What does it mean?
Brand positioning means creating a unique place for your brand in customers' mind.
So, Franklin, can you explain with example?
Of course, BMW positions itself as a performance car brand. Volvo positions itself as a safe-focused brand. Tesla positions itself as an innovation technology driving car brand.
So why is positioning important?
Because it helps customers understand why they should choose one brand over another.
The chapter also talks about target market. What is the target market?
The target market is a specific group of customers a company wants to serve.
For example, Nike mainly targets athletes and active people, while Disney targets families and children.
What about competition?
Competition can be direct or indirect.
What's the difference?
Direct competitors sell similar products, for example, Pepsi and Coca-Cola.
In direct competitors satisfy the same need differently. For example, coffee and energy drink both help people stay awake.
Another interesting topic is points of parity and points of difference.
So let's discuss the points of parity.
These are the basic features every product in a category must have. For example, all smartphones should be able to make calls, access the internet, and take pictures.
So if I may ask, what is the points of difference?
These are unique features that makes brands stand out. For example, Apple's simple design, Tesla's innovation, and Nick's athletes and inspiration.
The chapter also mentioned brand mantra. What is that?
A brand mantra is a short phrase that describes what a brand stands for.
Can you give an example?
Like brand mantra is authentic athletic performance. It reminds the company that it focuses on genuine sport performance.
Finally, let's discuss internal branding.
Internal branding means teaching employees about the company's value and brand promise.
Why is that important?
It is important because employees interact directly with customers. If employees understand the brand, they can prove better service and strengthen the company's image.
So, what is our conclusion?
Customer-based brand equity is the value a brand gains because customer knows, trusts, and prefer the product. Brand awareness and brand image helps create strong brands, while brand positioning helps companies stand out from competitors.
Thank you everyone. We hope this discussion has helped explain customer-based brand equity and brand positioning in a simple way.
Thank you all for listening.